Here's a strange truth about attraction. I used to think that being seen was the same as being wanted. I was wrong. The more you let them map your world, the less they care to explore it. Most think attraction comes from constant effort, attention, presence, but psychology proves the opposite. When you become fully predictable, replying instantly, always available, the brain stops anticipating, and anticipation is where desire lives. Without it, attraction just starves. Mystery works because the human brain is a hunter. It craves the unknown. Uncertainty sparks curiosity. Curiosity fuels attention, and attention builds emotional investment. When you aren't fully readable, the mind keeps returning to you. Not because of games, but because of intrigue. This isn't manipulation. It's about having your own rhythm, your own world, your own importance. When your energy revolves entirely around someone else, the tension disappears. And without tension, the desire simply fades. Depth isn't found in the light. It's in the layers they haven't seen yet. If you're ready to master the quiet, stay with us. Subscribe and stay intriguing.